So this is the final question your teacher will set on that next trigonometry test. Okay, you're going to start with the left hand side here. You want to prove that this is equal to this. So here we have tan theta minus sine theta sine cube theta. From the get-go, we have to do trigonometry because tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So we're going to put that into sine theta over cos theta minus sine theta over sine cube theta. So here we factorize out sine theta. So you have 1 over cos theta minus 1 all over, let me bring sine theta out here, then you have sine square theta here. So this will cancel out, leaving you with 1 over cos theta minus 1 over sine square theta. Now the numerator can be combined. We'll combine it to be 1. So the LCM is cos theta. So cos theta and cos theta is 1. That will be 1 minus cos theta. So we combine the numerator, this top part here. The common denominator is cos theta. So cos theta and cos theta is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. The LCM of this is 1. 1 in cos theta is cos theta. Cos theta times 1 is cos theta. This all over sine square theta. So this denominator here will come down. So I now have 1 minus cos theta over cos theta times sine square theta. Another trigonometric identity that we have is that sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So we're going to apply that here. So we have this into bracket 1 minus cos square theta. Now this is difference of two squares, so it will simplify as 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Again, we have something that cancels out, which is this cancels this out. So now we have 1 over cos theta to bracket 1 plus cos theta. This can be split into 1 over cos theta times 1 over 1 plus cos theta. Another trigonometric identity is that you have 1 over cos theta is sec theta. So cos and sec are inverse. In other words, you're going to have sec theta times 1 over 1 plus cos theta, which will give you sec theta over 1 plus cos theta, which is the proof for the question we were given. You're welcome.